working on the finishing little touches and figuring all the hydraulics out. Hey everybody, welcome back. If you like what we're doing, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, ring the bell. Today we're working on the Rebaler on the hydraulics. The hydraulic pump coming in. We ordered it from eBay, but it was not the exact name brand that we ordered. But I've researched it, and this is 15 gallon a minute at 1800 psi at 380 RPM motor, which is pretty much, I think, where we was wanting to be. It's a little slower than the one I ordered, so that's actually good. Right now, we're just making a template here. We tapped it out so we can get our holes, so we can make the holes in a bracket to mount this thing. Let's make a bracket and try to get it put on the Rebaler. Alright guys, we went and got 4 bolts and hot washers to mount the pump to the bracket. I didn't have none the correct length. All I had was way too short or too long. We're going to get this snugged up so we can figure out how to make the bracket for this to mount on the side of the Rebaler. Alright guys, we're getting the hydraulic motor bracket mounted. We had it mocked up with the pulley and stuff on it, the gear, so we could try to get them lined up. Got it welded in, and I'm gonna come off of the top up to this bar with a brace just to stiffen it. Hopefully tomorrow we'll get the hoses made and be ready to turn it.